Hey y'all, welcome back. So today we have some PR from Born Pretty, which I am super excited that they reached out to me and asked me if I would do this collab with them. So anyway, let's see what they sent me so we can try everything out. And Born Pretty is, as a brand, they're cruelty-free, 11 toxin-free, vegan, non-toxic, and it says safe quality ingredients and long-lasting for 21 plus days. So great quality products. If you haven't tried them, definitely check them out. And I'll leave a link in my description box so you can check it out and use my coupon code for 10% off anything you buy on there from that. So first off is some beautiful nail art brushes, which I can always use. If you know me, I've been really getting into the hand painting here lately. So let's check these out. Of course, I'm going to go straight for the liner brushes. It is super thin and oh, very, very soft. And these are double-ended brushes, and that is the rounded tip. Again, really super soft. So I can't wait to use these. These feel like they're great quality. And the brushes are 7mm, 9mm, and 11mm. So that's the 9mm, and that's a 3D brush. So very cool. Never have enough 3D brushes. I really need to start practicing those 3D flowers. And that is the 7mm. Again, super soft bristles. And a square tip, and that can be used for painting or cleanup or what have you. So that is very cool. I'm really excited about that. So then we have some nail tips that they sent me, some of their Coffin full cover tips, which is super cool because I've been wanting to try their tips. And we have some non-stick hand extension nail gel, which we're going to open up. Get my little knife here and check it out. I've been wanting to try this stuff so bad, so I finally get to try. So this is NSGO4, and of course we're going to rip the box open. Let's open this up and check it out. Ooh, it's a pretty pink. So that's an absolutely gorgeous pink. And my house is kind of cold, so it's really, really thick. That is absolutely gorgeous. Got a piece of paper in there. And if you hear my dog in the background, he is whining for donuts. And then we have the Born Pretty Metallic Painting Gel with Super Shine Silver. Let's open it up, see what it says on the bottom. It has all the ingredients on the bottom, and it's 5ml. And it says let it stand for 5 seconds before you cure it. Let's check that out. Well, they really secure these. gorgeous. Can't wait to use that. Clean off my little knife here. Then we have the Super Top Coat, which I've also been dying to try. And on the back it's got how to apply it, prep, base, gel top coat, and then top coat. Keep away from children. It's got your dates on the back. This is good for 12 months. No animal testing. Recyclable. And check out the directions. And on the side it's got all the legal information on it. If I can get it open. Super Top Coat. It's got a really beautiful consistency, not too thick, not too thin. So I can't wait to try that. And then we have 10 milliliter gel polish. And this is from the Jelly Nude collection. It's JN69. If I can get it open, it's fighting me. Ooh, that's a pretty gorgeous, it's like a brownish red. Perfect for fall. Very sparkly. And then we have gel polish CG119. And I think this one is from the Silky White series. Ooh, and that's a gorgeous red glitter. Can you see that? It's got a little bit of chunkies, but not too big chunkies, and some fine glitter in it. So, can't wait to use these. So give me a few minutes and I'll be right back and we'll do some swatches of the colors. So this is the nonstick extension gel, NSG04, and it's supposed to be HEMA free, which is nice. I really wasn't quite sure what to expect on the consistency since I've never had this kind of a product before, but it's really nice and fairly easy to work with. I will say my house is about 50 degrees and it was a little harder than it probably normally is, so I'm not sure. I'll have to see when my house warms up a little bit if it's the consistency is any different. But I really like the product. So here we have the silver metallic painting gel. It's called Super Silver Shine. It's 5 milliliters, and make sure with these metals gels to stir them up first because they do have a tendency to settle, and then you put on a very thin coat. because if you put on a too thick of a coat, they're not going to cure correctly. Just an FYI. And the curing time for this in my lamp was 60 seconds, but it says that 60 to 120 second cure is the norm. But it's an absolutely gorgeous silver. I really enjoy using this. And this is a absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous red glitter color. CG119, and it's from the Silky series polishes. And it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to tell you, I fell in love with this polish right here. So the consistency was a little thicker than most polishes. It may be because of the glitters, or it may just be because my house is really cold. We'll have to see when it warms up a little bit, if it lasts that long, because this absolutely is a gorgeous color, and I'm totally in love with it. This is Jelly Nude Collection JN69, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous fall brownish red. It's got hints of gold, flake, and gold, little tiny gold glitters in it. Stunning. I absolutely fell in love with this one too. Y'all, I've never had Born Pretty products before this, and I am absolutely sold and in love with them now. Just these few products I've had, I'm definitely going to be getting more. I am super impressed with Born Pretty's product, that they were so wonderful to send me. I so appreciate these products that they sent me. Just a fabulous company to work with. So I decided to do second coat on all of the swatches, especially the silver. The silver was a little sheerer than I thought it was going to be at first, but probably because I put such a thin coat on it. And sorry about that, I bumped the camera. With the silver, I actually did wind up doing 3 coats, just because I wanted it to really, really super shine. And the other colors, I just wanted you to see what 1 coat looked like, and now we want to look what 2 coats looks like. And then I will go over them with the super shiny top coat, so you can see how gorgeous that top coat is. The super top coat is long-lasting, anti-stain, scratch resistant, and ultra high shine. Simply said, I think it's absolutely gorgeous top coat, and it's really, really easy to work with. And here I was just checking out the top coat brush, because normally I have an issue with reds leaving a film on my brush when I do the top coat. So a lot of times I just wipe them with alcohol before I apply the top coat. This time I didn't, because I wanted to see if that red was going to transfer, and it didn't. I was extremely happy with that. Absolutely none of these products transferred to the brush for the top coat. So here we go. Absolutely gorgeous colors. I hope you enjoy, and I will leave the links to these in the description box if you are interested in them. Thank you for watching, and thank you, Born Pretty.